Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to upload a 3D photo in your Android phone. So if you're my returning subscriber, thank you guys for coming back. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a video like this, you are able to get to the first without wasting much of your time. Let's get into the video. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into your Facebook account, after which you simply click on your profile. Once you're there, you scroll down and you click on what? Image. After that, you simply need to choose the image you want to make in 3D. That is, you want to post it in 3D. After choosing the image, you simply need to click on this 3D option. So as you can see, you can now post the image. So we are now posting our image on Facebook in 3D format. So as you can see, we are just from posting our 3D photo in Facebook. So that's it. So guys, this is the way they post a 3D photo on Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Peace.